Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with St. James's Place Wealth Management, my UK financial advisor experience. St. James's Place Wealth Management offers personalised financial advice and wealth management services, primarily targeting individuals and families in the UK looking to secure their financial future. They seem to focus on long-term financial planning, investment management, and retirement planning. Their services likely include portfolio management, tax advice, and estate planning. Their website provides details about their different services and advisor network. They emphasize a personalized approach, with dedicated advisors working closely with clients. While they don't explicitly advertise pricing on their main site, it's understood that their services are fee-based. They focus on building long-term relationships, which suggests a focus on ongoing support rather than one-off transactions. Comparing them to robo-advisors or online investment platforms, St. James's Place offers a more traditional, face-to-face advisory experience. You can likely find an advisor near you through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using St. James's Place Wealth Management. Getting started involved filling out a contact form on their website. Within a few days, a local advisor reached out to schedule an initial consultation. This first meeting was very comprehensive. We discussed my financial goals, risk tolerance, and current financial situation. The advisor took the time to really understand my needs. Following that, they developed a personalized financial plan, outlining investment strategies and projected growth. Navigating their online portal was fairly straightforward. I could view my portfolio performance, access reports, and communicate with my advisor. One feature I particularly appreciated was the ability to see a clear breakdown of fees and charges. While I'm still in the early stages of my journey with them, the initial performance has been in line with my expectations. I had a quick question about a specific investment, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how thorough and personalized the initial planning process was. My advisor took the time to understand my circumstances and explain everything clearly. The standout feature for me was definitely the dedicated advisor who provides ongoing support and guidance. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for checking my portfolio on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the terminology used in the reports, but my advisor was happy to clarify any questions I had. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with St. James's Place so far and look forward to seeing how my investments progress over time. That's my overview of St. James's Place Wealth Management, my UK financial advisor experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.